Today we'll do sums based on Karnaugh map, K-map. In our last video we have done simplification, minimization of Boolean function by using K-map, that is Karnaugh map. K-map is a pictorial method used to minimize or simplify a Boolean function without using the Boolean algebra theorems. So today we'll do sums based on that, and we'll do K-map, that is minimization, simplification of Boolean functions. So these are the two questions given and we'll do this. First one, we'll do F1 first. F1 x, y, z, three variables, मतलब कि if we have three variables n is equal to 3, how many terms will be there? 2 to the power n terms. तो that is 2 to the power 3, मतलब 8 terms होंगे हमारे पास, right? तो 8 terms में मतलब 0 0 0 से 1 1 1 तक, मतलब there are 8 terms starting from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. Okay, now and these are the min terms given and we have to take that. So as I told you in last video, जो एक square है, the grid, this one grid shows one min term. Okay, so function this function is given and this function has 4 min terms. Okay, 4 min terms है 3. So to make you understand better, one thing you can do, see x के लिए हम 0 and 1 लिखेंगे, y z के लिए 0 0 0 1. What we'll write here? 1 1. Yes, we won't write 0 1 0. Why? Because ये ग्रे कोड में हम कन्वर्ट करते हैं. Only one digit will be changed in the next one. So now this one, it's like 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay. So when we are take this box, what is the value of this box? X y z 0 0 0 होगा, मतलब इसका वैल्यू है 0. I mean this जो 0 है, अगर 0 is there, so हम इसमें 1 लिखेंगे. We'll write 1 in all the boxes, in all the square which is included in the function, which for all the min terms we'll write 1 for all the min terms which is included in the function. So this function has only 4 min terms, 3 4 6 7. Okay, so now 0 0 1, that is 1. Now 0 1 1, ये क्या होगा? 3 होगा. Okay, and 0 1 0 will be 2. So we can write like this. ये 1 1 है तो हमेशा ये 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 होता है. Okay, so we can write directly 0 1 2 3. Similarly 4 5 6 and 7. Why? 1 0 0 4 1 0 1 5 1 1 1 7 1 1 0 6. ठीक है. Now it will, अगर ऐसे when we'll write this ना boxes के values, then it will be easy for us to directly write 1 in all the boxes, in all the squares which is included in the for the min terms which is included in the function. Okay, so या फिर one more thing we can do, क्या कर सकते हैं? 3 is given, 3 4 6 7, तो 3 4 6 and 7. So we'll write the value of 3 4 6 and 7. 3 का क्या होता है? 0 1 1, 4 का 1 0 0, 6 का 1 0 1 1 0 and 7 का 1 1 1. So इस तरह से भी we'll write 1 0 1 1. So 0 1 1 मतलब this one. Okay, 1 0 0 मतलब 1 0 0 this one. ठीक है. So this is also a way, this is also method to write 1 in the boxes. कौन से boxes में we have to write 1 and कौन से back boxes में we have to write 0. So that उसके लिए we can use this method also, but this is the best one. Like you'll write the value, the value of the this square boxes. मतलब ये स्क्वायर बॉक्सेस किस नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, विच नंबर दिस स्क्वायर बॉक्सेस आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग, उसमें वील राइट द वैल्यूज. देन इट विल बी इजी फॉर अस टू राइट 1 in all the boxes, in all the for all the min terms which is included in the function. Okay, so 3 4 6 7, तो 3 is here, 4 यहाँ है, 6 यहाँ है and 7 यहाँ है. Okay, इतने ही है ना. So these are the things. Now what we'll do, इसे हम हटा भी सकते हैं, दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, सो इसे हम हटा देंगे. नाउ how many ones are there? 4, and you have to solve it. How we'll do? We'll take this one, these two will take. क्या है इसमें कॉमन? क्या है? 0 and 1 तो different है, it's varying. So 1 is common, so y and z, so y and z. Okay, now plus this one and this one, इसमें 1 तो common है, this 0, z के लिए 0, मतलब complement of z is also common. And what is differentiate, I mean what is differing? This is 0 and this is y के लिए, this is complement of y and this is y. So ये तो नहीं रहेगा, we'll remove y. So x and complement of z, x and complement of z. Okay, so this will be the value for f1. Okay, so this will be the value of f, this function f1. Okay, now we'll do for f2 the same thing we have to do. And so same boxes, 3 variables are there, so there will be 8 boxes because 8 terms will be there. So 8 boxes हमने किया, and x y z, this is x के लिए 0 1 and y z के लिए 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now 0 2 4 5 6, so this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 होगा. Okay, now 0 2, 0 में 1, 2 में 1, 4 1, 5 में 1 and 6 में 1. Okay, now what we'll do, हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can do one thing, ये हम we can take these two, ये these two will take and these two will take. ये 4 हमने निकाला. So when we are taking one digit, if we have total in this function, we have 3 variables, and if we are taking one box at a time, so that will represent 3 variables. All the 3 variables will be there, either the variables or the complements. Okay, but when we are taking 2 at a time, 2 boxes at a time, so that will there one variable will be missing. Oh, that will contain only 2 out of 3. Okay, and when we are taking 4 boxes at a time, that will remove there will be 2 variables missing, only 1 will be there. Now try to understand this. So 0 and 1 are different, like they are different, ये different है ना. So these are not same, but 0 0 same है. Here again 0 1 different है and 1 0 same है. Okay, 0 0 and 1 0 को again we'll compare. So this 0 मतलब z bar दोनों में है, तो z bar होगा, because when we are taking 4 at a time, 2 variables will be missing, so x and y missing रहेगा, z complement of z will be there. Okay, now we have taken this at once, again we can take this, क्योंकि ये 2 boxes we can take. How? 1 is there, मतलब x will be 1, x का value is 1, तो x तो as it is रहेगा, and जो differ कर रहा है that is z का value, y complement of y is there, so y complement will be there. So this will be the value of f2. Okay, Boolean functions were given. So what we have done simplification, minimization of Boolean function. So that we have done by using K-map. Okay, so one different kind of problem we have taken. If the expression is given, a function is given like this, so we can see x, z, x, y. Okay, x bar z, x bar y, x, y bar z and y z. So x, y, z, only 3 variables are there. So we have to take 8 boxes. 8 boxes के लिए we'll take, see, x and y z will write here. So 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. ठीक है? Now what we have to do, first of all, this part is x bar and ये part is x. ठीक है? Similarly, ये जो 2 part हैं, these, okay, these two, इन दोनों में y bar is common, so ये y bar के लिए है part, and ये y के लिए. Okay, now these two, ये जो 2 है इसमें z common है, तो z के लिए है, and these two जो है z bar के लिए. Okay, so it will be, now it will be I have it's not important कि आपको करना ही पड़ेगा like this. I have done this to make you understand better. Okay, so x bar z, y is not given. So मतलब कि when one variable is missing, मतलब we have to take two squares at a time. So दोनों squares में we have to write 1. कौन से squares में? x bar z. So x bar वाला row and z, these two are for z. So we'll write here 1 1. Now x bar y. So x bar, again this same row, because x bar, x is 0, and y कहाँ पे? In these two columns y are y जो है वो 1 रहेगा. Okay, otherwise बाकी यहाँ पे complement of y is 0. So y is 1 here. So in these two columns we'll write 1. So 1 already यहाँ पे है, so we'll write here only. Okay, the next is x y bar z. So x is positive in this, x is enabled, 1 is in this row, and y bar मतलब y is complement of y, we have to use y is 0 in these two columns, and z. So this row, these two columns, okay, and z, where is z is common in, z is 1 in these two columns. So this will be the box, that is x, y bar and z. Now y, z, y is 1 in these two columns, and z कहाँ पे? In these two columns 1 है. Okay, otherwise y is complement of y is 0 in these two columns. So these two columns will take, and इसमें z कहाँ है? इसमें. Okay, so this is already, so these two boxes will be y and z, y z के लिए, because y and z both are 1 यहाँ पे in these two boxes. So यहाँ पे already 1 है, we'll write here 1. ठीक है. Now we have to solve this. So what जो expression was given ना, according to the expression we have done. Okay, we have written the 1 in the boxes which for the minterms which is included in the function. Now we'll take like this. These 4 we'll take. So क्या होगा इसके लिए? we can write f will be equal to these 4 हमने लिया, तो 0 and 1 doesn't matter. So when we are taking 4 at a time, 2 variables will be missing, only 1 will be there. तो कौन सा common है? That will be there, that is z. Okay, तो z is 1, तो z रहेगा. Okay, and plus how will do? ये दोनों भी हम ले सकते हैं. So इसमें common क्या है? x bar is common and y is common. तो x bar and y. So this will be the expression. This is one function given, and the min terms given, and this is see, there are 4 variables. So when n is equal to 4, 2 to the power n will be 2 to the power 4, that is 16. तो हमें 16 boxes चाहिए. So what we'll do, जैसे हम 4 boxes के लिए करते थे, the same we will do for 16 boxes. Okay, divide this, again divide this. Now w x y z 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. ठीक है. So इसमें क्या होगा ना, this 0 0 0 0, this will be 0. Okay, 0 1 2 3. Okay, 4 5 6 7. Now this is 1 1, so we'll take this one first. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so I'm writing this to make you understand better. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. ठीक है. Now this is the best way. Okay, it will take time when you are doing for the first time na, it will take time to for you to understand which number you have to write, because 0 1 0 0, तो 0 1 0 0 मतलब 4, you have to write 4. Any box will आप उठाकर देख सकते हो, you can take any box like this one. So 1 1 1 1 15, this one. So 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 is 9. So that the same way I have written. Okay, now it's very easy then. 0 0 वाले box में 1, then 1 1 2 2 दिस वन, 4 4 ये है, 5 ये है, 6 ये है, 8 9, so 8 9, then 12, where is 12, यहाँ, 13 and 14, 13 and 14, ठीक है. This way we have written. So अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं, what we can do, first of all there are 4 variables. When we are taking one at a time, one box, one square, इसका मतलब there will be 4 variable or complements. हाँ, तो all the 4 variables will be there in one that term. Okay, when we are taking 2 at a time, मतलब 1 is missing, there will be 3 variables. If we are taking 4 boxes at a time, 4 squares at a time, 2 missing, only 2 variables will be there. So when we are taking 8 at a time, तो क्या होगा, 3 missing होगा, एक variable रहेगा. So here we can take 8 at a time, because we can take this one, na. So anything horizontally, vertically और boxes, squares, हम कोई भी adjacent boxes, adjacent squares को हम लेते हैं. Okay, so for f के लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे, f के लिए these all are varying ना, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, कोई common नहीं है. But in these two, y and z में only y is common, that is y bar. Okay, so we'll write y bar. Okay, we have taken 8 at a time, मतलब 3 missing रहेंगे, 3 variables missing, only 1 will be there, so 1 is there, complement of that variable. Okay, now these two we can take and these two, ठीक है, क्योंकि जो भी adjacent edges पे जो boxes होते हैं we consider as the adjacent. Okay, so in these two and these two, 0 0 मतलब w और complement of w is common. Now इसमें और इसमें क्या कॉमन है, इसमें y की जगह 0 है, y की जगह 1 है, y के प्लेस पे, एंड z is 0, z is 0 in both. So what we can take, complement of w and complement of z, ठीक है, because we have taken 4 at a time, मतलब 2 will be missing, 2 variables will be missing, only 2 variables है, उसके complements we can take. Okay, we will be having. Okay, now यहाँ पे 1 और है, so we can do one thing, ये दो and ये दो भी हम ले लेंगे. Okay, these two and these two. Now 0 and 1, okay, varying na, so x is common, x will be there, x, okay, and इन दोनों में x तो है, इन दोनों में भी x है. Now we'll compare these two, 0 0 and 1 0. So 0 z bar, z complement of z is common in all 4, so complement of z, ठीक है. So इसको और भी simplify करना है, so we can write like this, y bar plus x plus w, complement of w and z bar, ठीक है. So f will be, so this is the simplified form. So by using K-map and without using Boolean algebra theorems, we have just minimized, we have simplified this long जो min term का जो function है, the function is given, Boolean function is given, and we have simplified that long Boolean, bigger Boolean function, and without using Boolean algebra theorems, by using K-map, ठीक है. So again one function is given in this way, and min terms given. So and a, b, c and d, there are 4 variables. Okay, so we have to we'll take 16 wale boxes. Okay, 16 terms will be there. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so where we'll put this one, these, so उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, see जो भी 4 वाले when 4 variables are used in the term ना, in min term, so for that there will be only one boxes जिसमें we'll write 1. Okay, but when there are 3 variables, one is missing, so there will be 2 boxes where we need to write 1. Okay, min terms के लिए we have to write 1 ना, so there will be 2 boxes because one variable is missing out of 4. Okay, so what we'll do, first of all इन दोनों के लिए a is there. Okay, and for these two a bar. Okay, now similarly for these two, ये क्या है, c bar के लिए है, and ये दो रहेगा वो for c, ठीक है। एंड अगेन डी इन दोनों के लिए रहेगा, इन दीज टू डी, ओके, एंड ये दोनों जो रहेगा डी बार के लिए। नाउ विल सी फॉर बी एंड ए, ओके, ए के लिए वी हैव टेकन, तो बी के लिए इन दीज टू बी विल बी 1 एंड अदरवाइज इन दोनों में this one and this one. So first one we'll take this one, a bar, b bar, c bar. So a bar, b bar and c bar, a bar, b bar and c bar, okay, a bar, b bar and c. So both will write 1. Why? Because a bar इन दोनों rows में रहेगा, a is 0 and b bar जो है this one and this one इन दोनों में रहेगा, okay. So we'll take this one, first one जो है जिसमें b bar भी b is also 0 and c bar के लिए only these two are there, इसमें तो c रहेगा, so these two we have written, okay. Now b bar, c and d bar, so b bar के लिए this row and this row, okay, and c कहाँ रहेगा, इसमें common रहेगा, so we'll take these two और these two. अब d bar कहाँ रहेगा, d bar इन दोनों में तो d positive है, तो in these two, so we'll write here and here, okay. Now we'll check b बार c d बार, तो इसमें क्या है, b बार तो है, ओके, यहाँ पे b बार है, b is 0, ओके, c and d बार, तो c is, this one is c1, okay, and d बार, correct. Now the next one a, तो ये हो गया हमारा. Now this one a b बार c बार, तो a मतलब these two rows, okay, and b बार मतलब this and this. So only this one is the row जिसपे a and b बार दोनों है, okay, in this one, this row a b बार, okay, and now c के लिए हम देखेंगे c बार, so these two are c बार, so a b बार and c बार, this one, these two, okay. Now the next one a bar b, so a bar b मतलब this one and c d bar, so this one, okay, so a bar b c d, this one, okay. Now we have to solve this. कैसे solve करेंगे? First we'll remove this one. This was there to make you understand, okay. Now we'll solve this. क्या कर सकते हैं हम? We can take these two and these two, ले सकते हैं ना. So f will be equal to, we have to minimize this one, the function f is a function given minterm वाले functions, and we have to minimize the function by without using Boolean algebra theorems. What we are using here? We are using K-map, okay. So these four we have taken. So क्या होगा, a तो नहीं होगा because 0 है, यहाँ पे 1 है. Now b is common. Why? Because b तो b complement of b will take इन दोनों में. Now इन दोनों में क्या common है, c bar, because d तो 0 and 1 दोनों है, it's varying, so c is common, तो c bar will take plus. Now what we'll do, एक और काम हम कर सकते हैं. हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ये दोनों तो हम लेंगे ही, so a is common, 0 0, okay, तो a bar will take a bar, and इन दोनों में और क्या कॉमन है, a bar and this c d bar is common, okay. Now और क्या कर सकते हैं, how we'll take this, we can do one more thing, we'll take these two, okay, these two we can take, okay. So this one is इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन रहेगा, these two, a b bar कॉमन रहेगा, और क्या रहेगा, c is varying, यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, and d is same, d 0 d 0, so d 0, the complement of d, okay. This will be the resultant function, okay. Understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.